can you tell us a little bit about your product here?
Absolutely. Today what we're showing is our new ultra ventilation fans and also our HRV and ERV units that are made through our sister company Vinmar.
Great. Can you kind of contrast the difference between the simplicity, as I perceive it, of the Braun fan and the more technical stuff of that air exchange type of product?
Well, the bathroom ventilation fan is meant to work as an exhaust. Combination of removing moisture from the air and also getting the indoor air out because of what we call the closed building syndrome, where the things that are in the house are captured and you want to get them out. As opposed to an HRV or an ERV, there's what's called a balanced ventilation, where you're removing air but you're also bringing air in, and depending upon the climate that you live, that determines whether you want an HRV or an ERV.
Okay, so we're in a hot climate and say Florida, and what do you recommend for that? Because if it's up in the attic, we might have some, and you're cooling the air because say you've got a roof deck and foam, and so you're in semi-conditioned space. So what would you recommend for that application?
In an environment like Florida, or there's a lot of, whether it's the Georgia or here, or at that point in time, that's when the ERV becomes important, because when you're bringing the air in, you're bringing in, for the most part, hot, humid air. What happens is when that air that comes in, it's actually dehumidified to an extent where part of it goes back into the air coming out of the house, and then the remaining that comes in, because you do need to get the fresh air into the house. Under the balanced system, you need to replace what you're taking in. The ERV functions in a form of dehumidification also.
I've been told that you can take these particular units, put them in a couple of bathrooms, and coordinate with ASHRAE 62.2 to solve the problem.
Meaning the bathroom fans?
Yes.
Oh, absolutely. The fans, ASHRAE 62.2 requires a required amount of airflow. It requires specific ducting, and it requires zone levels. And zone level, which is how loud is my fan? I don't want it to sound like a lawnmower. So that's exactly what you can do, and there's different ways to do it. There's different solutions, 3, 4, 5 different ways to do it, and that's the beauty of Braun, is the fact that we have a solution based upon what exactly you're looking for, whether it's dehumidification in air or just strictly the exhaust from using the bathroom fans.
Great. Thank you very much for talking, Tim.
Thanks for stopping in.
Fun here too.
Take care now.
Bye.